Click on the link below to get price. The ECOR PRO 50 Pint Small Portable Commercial Desiccant Dehumidifier is an impressive solution for tackling excess humidity in various spaces, including bedrooms and bathrooms. What sets this unit apart from traditional refrigerant dehumidifiers is its use of desiccant technology, which allows it to operate efficiently in lower temperatures and drier environments. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its compact size. It easily fits into tight spaces without being obtrusive. Weighing around 37 pounds, it's manageable enough to move between rooms, making it a versatile option for multiple areas of the house. The sleek design not only looks modern but also ensures it doesn't clash with home decor. Performance-wise, the ECOR PRO excels in moisture removal. It boasts a capacity of 50 pints, making it suitable for larger areas while effectively maintaining a comfortable humidity level. The unit operates quietly, allowing it to run unobtrusively through the night, which is particularly beneficial in bedrooms. The user-friendly interface is another highlight, featuring simple controls that allow for easy adjustments. The built-in humidistat enables automatic operation, which means the unit turns on and off based on the humidity levels, providing a hassle-free experience. Additionally, it comes with a continuous drainage option, so you can set it up to work without having to frequently empty the water tank. Another appealing aspect is its energy efficiency. This dehumidifier uses less energy than conventional models, making it a more eco-friendly choice for those conscious of their electricity usage. While the price point may be higher than some basic models, the quality and performance justify the investment. The ECOR PRO 50 Pint Small Portable Commercial Desiccant Dehumidifier is a reliable and effective choice for anyone looking to improve air quality and combat moisture in their living spaces. Overall, it represents a smart investment for maintaining a comfortable, dry environment.